means we shouldn't run into any more running out of room. We recorded for like 6 hours and not hit 200 gigabytes.
Hey,
But that just means I have to stay on it. That there's like a 2.5 hour video we recorded. We had like 2 videos come out of it because we just sucked the whole time. It was really bad.
That's funny.
Just been kind of excuse me. I've just been kind of playing Civ and cutting videos so I can watch through it passively as I'm playing Civ.
Faster, stronger.
Yeah.
Just kind of a nice little compromise I've given myself.
I just hope I don't have to fight with that smiling robot. I'm just kidding. He's fine. Everyone's fine.
Excuse me.
Introducing your champion.
Yeah.
Run fast, hit fast, win fast.
Yeah.
Now is when I wear your face as a mask.
Follow the leader. Let's check out that way.
Yeah, someone's downstairs on my normal side, so I just went upstairs.
Opening fire.
Alright.
Oh, nice stick drift. Stick drift.
Crack the bad news.
There's a whole nother squad.
Increíble. Un momento.
Kids, the
I
ring's
could drop you this
closing
triple
in
take.
1 minute.
Is it one comeback?
No.
Cracked an enemy. There's another squad.
Head.
If you don't go through the legs,
Yeah.
you need to move. Sergeant Shield. Come on.
He's on this door.
Mira, granada.
Cracked. 26 flash.
Reloading.
He's down here.
Got trouble here.
Let me push downstairs real quick.
Then you got another me. Damn, he's good looking.
Crack the bad news shield. Ooh, nailed that whole
What
squad.
is this game right
That
now?
was a good kill. Extended light mag here. Level 2.
Leave shit.
Give him my shield to recharge.
Sergeant on my shield.
Progress.
New kill leader. Show off.
Ring's moving.
They're on here. Yep.
Where? Oh, they're on the other house.
Heads up. Got one here.
Firing.
Cracked an enemy. They're one. Oh, they're one. They're beyond one. I hit for 140 or some shit like that.
I got some bad guys here.
Oh, they're fighting another team.
Oh, Lifeline's one too. I hit 125.
Oh, they're on the fucking roof. Oh no.
Shot fired.
Dead.
Hold the stairs.
Broken enemy shield. Alright,
teams
enemy
still.
down. Enemy shield.
Another squad is attacking us. Enemy shield. Down that one.
Reloading. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we got him. We wiped the squad.
Nice.
Sergeant on my shield.
Yeah, they're on the. Oh, right here. Right here. They just survived.
Enemy shield cracked.
Idiots.
Took only half the squads are left.
Yeah.
Sergeant shield. Come on.
Optics here. Close
It's
range.
kinda hitting.
You're welcome.
I don't know that I would ever say that out loud and of my own volition, but
Oh, I hear someone.
Just gotta patch myself up.
Who's got the 1 to 2 and the triple takes? Sorry, the people out by phase. 1 to 2 and the triple takes the best gun in the game. Best combination of the game? I don't know what I'm trying to say here. I'll take a shotgun bolt though. Oop.
Oops, someone's flying in.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a full team?
Enemy
Go check out here.
Got my boozles at the ready. Pop some shots fired, and they're hitting me.
58.
Enemy
No,
shield.
dead.
Nice.
That was that one.
Yeah.
Decoy escaped the
88. That was crispy.
Nailed that whole squad.
What were they
Oh, this
thinking?
is great news. You're the new kill leader, and I'm still alive.
They just weren't.
Charging up my shields.
I'm gonna throw this down and then grab my heat shield back.
Biggest upgrade. Oh, nice shotgun bolt. Look at that. Huh?
Eh?
I love that name.
Got extra supplies here. Don't need to thank me, but you should.
Loaded.
Charging shields.
I don't want to play Octane anymore, man. I have 4 medis if you want to play them.
Oh, there's people right here.
On us?
Yeah.
How about this way? Firing.
Have white. It's a Watson. A scary boy, maybe?
Yep. Get away from the other side.
Start shots fired. They're hitting
He
me.
is white. He's lagging.
Dead.
Fuck.
Oh, fuck.
Enemy shield cracked. Dupes o'clock.
Ooh, golden
Cracked
knife.
the bad dude shield.
Give him my shield to recharge.
Woo! Nailed that.
Using a Phoenix kit.
Shotgun that. Here.
Let's knock down shield here.
Thank you.
Care package is a cracker. Let's go.
Let's go over there. I'm bored here.
Krager.
Round 2. Beginning ring countdown.
Oh, someone's
You're gonna have to
respawning
move at my
in.
speed to make the next ring.
I don't know what that is.
Stuff is. So,
Let's check out that way.
I think I hear people fighting up here.
Yeah, I think this place needs a little more me.
I definitely hear people up here.
Care back.
Oh, so it just drops.
Replicator being
Top. Top.
I'm still gonna grab it.
Down that one.
You're here,
It's a
scary
rev,
boy.
Yeah. It's probably up top. They just fucking.
Arcstar.
Oh, he's so lucky.
Cracked the bad dude shield. Reload.
Getting shot.
Dead.
Charging on my shields.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him. We wiped the squad.
There's people inside still too. Be careful.
Rings close. 1 more minute.
Here's one on my head right here.
Heads up. We are not alone.
I need a heal.
Using a Phoenix kit.
Oh
We actually got heat.
Rings close.
no. Is it just him?
Raise it? No, it's a Wraith and Ballistic. Raise on my shield right now. Just let me know. I'll
Can you
drop
put it
my
down?
shield.
Can you put it
Yep,
down?
yep.
Broken enemy shield. Getting shot at.
Just tell me when you want it down again. She's coming. She's on you. Nice. He's right here.
Oh, fuck.
You're good. You're better. I'm lucky.
Maybe next time you should try to get it.
Good game. I got sweat on by that Wraith.
Hostile close.
Need a shower. Ew, yucky.
Got our first worm food
Horrible.
Fighter has entered the ring. Will anybody challenge them? Ladies and gentlemen, we're in for a fight now.
Oh, there's someone on me.
Ew.
I'll just hop
Is he
down
staying?
and grab some ammo.
There's a bag here.
Backpack here. Level 3.
What are you waiting for? An invitation? Come
Buenos
on, get in
dias,
the ring,
guten
compadres.
Tag. You know, something like that.
Shake
I
a
don't know.
leg. We've only got a minute, and the ring's right there.
Oh, that's you. No, it's you.
New kill leader. Not for long, pal.
Push him.
It's go
Ew.
time.
Hey. Oh. Let's go.
There's one box.
On the stairs.
Someone running this way.
Down that one.
This way. Go bamboo. Pull him.
Someone ran out the doors too.
Oh, no, there's
Yeah,
another squad.
Enemy shield cracked.
Half toast, half the roast.
person over here.
Bad guys, let's do this.
Has been eliminated.
That's the bad dude's shield.
Nice.
That's the last of them, amigos.
Jesus.
Booyah!
Already in the. Give my shield to recharge.
Okay.
Oh wow, that's a lot of shotgun.
Kill leader appointed.
That's me. I'm the
New
reason
kill
there's a lot of
leader?
shotgun ammo.
Not for long, pal.
There is a new kill
A lot of
leader.
shotgun ammo nonetheless.
New kill leader.
Uh,
Not for
There's a
long, pal.
G7 Scout Eva.
Gotta hop up here.
let's see.
Skull piercer.
It's
I'll do
disgusting.
that combo.
Care package
Let's
being
go.
delivered.
Recharging
Let's
shields.
go.
Mind if I do?
Oh, care package, sweet. Care package over there. Let's get on that. Care package over there. Let's get on that.
That's close. Probably the close one.
Do you wanna go too?
No, we'll fight this up. I'm in the right.
Just spotted someone out there.
Cracked.
Jump
He's
head,
white.
jump head.
Throwing jump pad.
Jump in, jump in, jump in.
Big four on the,
Nah.
God, nice, thank you.
Just relax. I got everything under control.
I'm gonna pop a feed.
The whole squad. Last guy just kind of dropped.
Gotta use a Phoenix kit. Ah, these take forever.
Gold Hemi. I'm already having a gold Hemi.
Technical feed you're using.
I have
Give my
a
shield
regular
to recharge.
Hemi. Oh, I should probably check if this has a purple shield. Yep, it does.
Not me.
And then
You're good.
Firing!
one side healing up.
Down behind this dude, I'd say. Just swing over here.
We could check out here.
I need energy.
Where are we going?
I'm watching here.
What do you think is over here?
Third movie.
Oh, there's people right here.
I think we should move that
It's a
way.
different team then. Be careful. Yeah, that team's in the middle of this.
Really? Where?
I just heard their slide. Be totally wrong.
Was it my little guys?
Shots fired and they're hitting me.
Oh my god.
Prowler. Crack the... Not the one that's up here. There's one on you.
I don't.
Decoy.
That's the bamboozle. Just leave me.
Troops o'clock.
Good team.
Give my shield to recharge.
Oh.
Sweaty, sweaty boy. Little 4K badge. I'm gonna stop saying that once I land a 4K. But till that point,
Got a replicator over there.
say they're sweaty.
Oh, hello. Hey, who crafted Dirtus?
like to know. Is it just left on there? Oh no.
Yeah, just the ammo.
Yeah. Dirty. Oh. Where's that coming in?
Not even gonna look.
Oh, let's see the one behind you. Not even gonna look, she says. But we got
Round 2.
Oh.
Ring countdown.
Go, 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 go.
Go.
There's a Mosey. There's not shit in there. And there's not shit in there, except for Havoc.
That. So, don't leave.
Let's go over there. I'm bored here. Must go faster.
Use it?
Yeah.
Right back to the rampage. Nice.
Nothing up my sleeves and whoosha,
Hmm.
extra supplies.
What do you need?
Magic is what I was doing.
Heals probably.
Kids, the ring's closing in 1 minute.
My hips were bad. I grab you too.
I'm gonna have to after I pick up the one that's right there.
Oh, okay.
Actually.
There's a bunch of right
Light ammo
ammo.
here. Ring's far and closing in 45. Probably gonna have to run.
Split a
Backpack
bag.
here.
Nice,
Level
that's
2.
nice.
Dibs. It's go time.
Hey, what time is it?
Nemi time?
Go time.
Oh.
Go.
Attention. There is a new kill leader.
Get together, Jeb.
New
I
kill.
thought we were
leader.
being more
Extended light
specific.
mag here.
Show
Level
off.
3.
Yeah, I could use that.
Tick tock, 10 seconds. At least the ring is closed.
Alright, let's go, my frag.
Warning. Movement in
How
progress.
heavy if you see it?
Ring. Moving now. Rápidamente. Rápido.
And a shield. Well, if I'm trying to craft, I can just craft myself blue.
Just go through here
We
and
can hit
hit
this
that.
purple. Purple's still in that care pack right there.
Right.
Yo, we should
Don't
def check
take
out
your
that care package.
package.
On the map. What is a boba?
Isn't it crazy how many meters we can run in a second?
Mint out. There's a 1x right down. Got it. Okay, we're chilling. Brand new whip. Just hopped in. I think I has a bow in it. If that's something that
Get
you
it?
want.
People on here.
Heads up, got one here.
That then, yeah.
Opening fire.
Faster, faster, faster.
Beginning ring countdown.
Do you need any heavy? All
No.
the ones that are all the heavy I've
About
got.
117.
Right in front of me. Right in front of me. The bow.
No.
Charging up my shields.
They're scared, terrified even.
Just walk there.
Throwing through my grenade.
Charging shield.
Oh, I missed. I literally missed.
Throwing through my grenade. Replicator here, falling down.
It's go time.
Completely missed that. They don't feel as bad.
Opening fire.
Idiot.
Bad side of this. Maybe just stay up here. Gives us some nice high ground on
We
it.
do need more heavy now.
I have shit. Oh, this one on me. Oh, I missed my jump pad. It's so stupid. you?
I don't see them. They're on the other side of this.
Oh my god, I have a shit ton of heavy for you. Just won't drop any of it.
Sending out another me. Damn it, he's good looking.
Stinky boy.
Warning. Room
I
closing.
think they're under. They're definitely
We're already in
under.
the
That's
ring.
what you hear.
Care package being delivered.
Here's the.
Check it out, care package coming in.
Don't slow down now.
Yeah.
Only 2 other squads left.
Eliminated.
They come down close?
Where do they come up from? Where are those steps? Oh,
Where are the steps?
right here.
Let's check out over there.
What's in that Quebec? Save.
Bow? Did you already grab bow?
Yeah.
I'm gonna grab this bow then.
Respawn.
We can be bow buddies.
Respawn.
Must go fast.
Where? Where?
I heard a respawn.
No.
Round 4. Beginning ring
I'm
countdown.
on meth.
Yeah. You wanna go get a spot? It's just us and them, so we can go over there.
We should move that way.
Is it?
Shot at.
70 in the
Shooting at
mouth.
me.
Crazy shit all the time.
Faster.
Look at this hole.
Charging on my shields.
I have a ton of fuels.
Charging on my shields.
They're gonna have to. Oh, they're gonna take that zip. Here,
High ground, let's hit.
Let's check out
I didn't
over
drop
there.
you too bad, so
Wait.
I'll just...
Grab him, yeah, let's hit this for right now.
Ooh, that's gonna kick. Heads up. A baddie lands.
Sneak right there.
Shit.
Oh
Reloading.
god. Oh, right here.
Man, goals,
Yeah,
cracked.
cracked.
Charging on my shields.
Watch the clock on the side.
113 on the
Watch the
caustic.
snake, watch the snake.
Reloading.
Back here.
Ring is
He's
basically
dead.
knocking on the door. Enemy
116 on the mouth. I think the respawn I heard came from Storm.
Oh, maybe.
You are the Apex
Well,
champions.
after a long... That's gonna be one video because we just died like 5 or 6 times in a row. That's an hour worth of footage. Oh, life sucks. Just kidding. That was a good game. It's a five bomb, as I like to call it. All right, I need to go into work. I love you.
I love you. Bye.
Stinking cute. That's what you are. Stinking cute.